Can you elaborate on Sweden's approach to soft power diplomacy and its effectiveness in promoting Swedish interests globally?
Yeah, it's a good question, because you can argue that as a relatively small country, soft power is the only power we do have. We don't have a lot of hard power. Nobody in Indonesia is going to be in any way threatened or intimidated by Sweden's global power. We know that we have there are positive views on Sweden generally in most countries of the world. There are some areas where we are perceived as being in the forefront. We have also been successful in creating a couple of very big companies and big brands that most people know of, like Ericsson and H&M, Volvo, Scania, IKEA, of course. There are a number of companies that I think that everybody knows. And we try to use that, of course, in our diplomacy to convey a picture of where Sweden stands and what we want to achieve. And we are trying to use all the tools in the toolbox, including our business community, but also culture, music, wherever we feel that we have something that could be attractive to others.
And how do this soft power diplomacy approach would affect foreign policy objectives, especially in region like Southeast Asia or Indonesia?
No, I know. It's interesting because we have a number of Indonesian students that go to Sweden to study every year. And it's increasing every year, which we are very happy about. But I've met them on a number of occasions before they go and also when they come back from Sweden. And it's interesting that a lot of the Indonesian students that go to Sweden, they study subjects that have some sort of connection to climate and sustainability. They might study engineering or medical issues or whatever it could be, but it's often with that sort of angle. I study engineering, but in the sense that I want to create sustainable water management or whatever it could be. And that is something that we are known for, something that I know that Indonesia is interested in collaborating. So it shapes a lot of what we do together. The sustainability climate angle is one of the most important for us. And I think that we have something to deliver, we have something to share. Doesn't mean that we have solved all the problems, but we have come a long way. And we have that kind of interest from the Indonesian side as well. That if we're talking about energy or transport or health issues or mining, whatever it could be, there is an interest in, so how do we do this in a sustainable way that would work both socially, economically, and also for the climate in the future. And that is sort of our way in to not only Indonesia, but I would say most of the work that we do in Southeast Asia has that angle.